बीमारी को खरीद के लाया ना। मैं सोच लिया है, मैं जिंदगी अब ऐसे नहीं गुजारनी।
चल रही है क्या? हमसे अच्छे तो तू कमा रही है।
और सुन, मैं वापस आऊं तो तू मरने तैयार चाहिए।
तू डायन है क्या?
तुझे क्या, तेरे से खरीदी, मैं जानू।
मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस ओर चला है तू।
हो ये जिंदगी कुछ भी सही, पर ये मेरे किस काम की। ये जिंदगी कुछ भी सही।
हमारे घर में सामान इसलिए नहीं कि अमीरन ने ले लिया है।
दिल करे शीशे से सर दे मारे।
पूछ क्या लिया? आसमान से बातें करा तेरा दिमाग तो।
और तुम मर्दों की तो ज़हनियत ही ऐसी हो गई, गर्दन पे शुरू और घुटनों पे खत्म।
बस है कमी उस नाम की ये जिंदगी।
बचपन से कोई दिन ऐसा नहीं गुजरा जो इन लोगों के आगे हाथ न जोड़े हों।
छोटी थी सुनती आई, जिंदगी मारी होवे पर मारी जिंदगी के फैसले और करे।
Living outside the norms of society, having suffered mental and physical abuse and grappling with feelings of inferiority, these children develop a defense mechanism, aggression.
साडे ना कोई भी पंगा ले ले असी सीधा फैर ही मारने होने आ भावे जिन्ने को मर्जी ले आइए।
There is a low feeling inside, although they are acting out, and to others they seem like very aggressive.
Particularly in adolescence, a child learns that aggression could perhaps be a useful asset. At the very least, it gets him attention.
People start getting scared of you, and that's a high that they feel. And then that reinforces that negative aggressive attitude. To ward off that low feeling, they indulge in substance abuse. They indulge in psychological abuse. Because you know, when they're not doing that, what happens inside them keeps them in a state of conflict, and that's very painful.
Substance abuse is something that these children could score an A grade in if there existed such an exam. If you want to know about drugs, for instance, let these boys educate you.
ड्रग्स एक बहुत अच्छी भी चीज है, गंदी भी चीज है, मगर जेड़े बंदे ने एक दवा लगी है वो बंदा नहीं छड़ सकता, मजबूरी होंदी बंदे दी। कई कई गमा च पींदे, कई शौकिया तौर, कई खुशी च।
ये तरह से ऐसे चक्कर आते थे, गिर जाने वाला होता था।
साढ़े कई दफा उल्टियां शुल्टियां, तबीयत खराब हो गई, बुखार चढ़ गया, बहुत बीमारियां भी लगियां ने। फिर हल्का हल्का दा छड्डन भी लग गए सा। फिर जरा आया आंदियां ने ना चीज़ा चूज़ा, मतलब कि खुशी दा दिन, शादी ब्याह, चीज़ा चूज़ा आंदियां ने ते बंदे दा फिर दिल करदा कुछ करन नूं।
एक दिन पंजाब में दे रहा ये ना नस्वार बना रहे हैं उठान, तो ना मैंने उससे खरीदी है।
ਚਿਰਸ ਪੀ ਕੇ ਐਵੇਂ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹੀ ਟੁਰ ਰਹੇ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਇੰਜ ਹਿੱਲੀਦਾ ਹੁੱਲੀ ਰਿਲੈਕਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ।
ਨਾ ਪੀਓ ਤੇ ਪਤਾ ਨੀ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਸੁੱਤੇ ਰਹਦਾ ਬਸ।
ਚਿਰਸ ਜਦੋਂ ਨਾ ਮਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏ, ਡਕੈਟੀ ਇੰਜ ਮਾਰਨਾ ਪਏ ਤੇ ਫੇਰ ਹੀ ਆਏਗੀ।
The irony lies in receiving this lecture from children under 15 years of age. They are well versed in the knowledge of drugs, more perhaps than many adults. Having failed to achieve industry in the first stages of their lives, they have reached the extreme low of inferiority. This has pushed them in the direction of drug abuse.
Almost 70% of the children that we bring in are on drugs. And the main culprit is glue sniffing. Glue is easily available, and all the children have to do is either they put it in a little plastic bag and they sniff it, or sometimes they'll even put it in their mouth and inhale it, and it gives them a feeling of high. But unfortunately, this glue is something that totally ruins the brains, and over a length of time, the brains just don't function normally.
The inner turmoil faced by a child beggar is best understood by psychologists.
You are in a subculture, you are either drugged or you are beating someone or you are robbing someone of his money, and that sort of lets you be what you think is the right strategy that you worked out. Blackouts and gaps in the memory are common among child beggars who are habitual drug users, say psychologists who work with such children.
When the child came into senses, he obviously he can't narrate the whole issue. That he used to say, "अच्छा, मैं लड़ा भी था, मुझे तो नहीं पता ये जख्म मेरे कहाँ से आया."
While the hardships of life on the street are a major introductory ground for drug abuse, there are also other rather unexpected reasons. In explaining, let's give Gavar and Rhoda new names. Gavar, the dumped.
ਸਾਡੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਸ਼ੇ ਗੈਂਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਲੱਡੂ, ਉਹਦੀ ਭੈਣ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਫਸ ਜਰੇ ਮੈਂ ਛੱਡਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਸਾਡੇ।
Rhoda, Devdas, the lover.
मैं नशा इसलिए तो करना वा, मेरी मशरूक हैगी ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਧੋਖਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। मैं ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਅੱਬੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਨੇਹਾ। मैं ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਉਹ ਕੋਇਟਾ ਚਲੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ।
With their high exposure to drugs while out on the streets, child beggars are more likely than any other children their age to live the rock star stereotype. With sex, drugs and alcohol from as young as the age of 4. But music and money, of course, are absent from their lives. Naveed Ashraf narrates his journey from being an ordinary boy to a drug addict in the clutches of a beggary mafia.
मेरे दोस्त था ना शफाकत, वो मुझे बाहरी से मिला था। बाहर वो नशा कर रहा था, मुझे नहीं था मालूम ये सिगरेट क्या होती है, ये सब कुछ क्या होता है।
This is a stoplight at Punjab Chowrangi. Located in Defence, this is where some of the wealthiest people in Karachi live. But even in this upmarket residential area, there is no escape from scenes of poverty and desperation. Aslam Raza is 22 years old. He has been begging at this stoplight for almost a year. Crippled with polio in his childhood, he has no other job options.
Nobody is ready to employ me, but I have to feed myself.
His day begins at 8 in the morning. Inhaling smoke for 15 hours a day, he limps between trucks and cars, begging for a living. After enduring all these hardships, his earnings barely suffice for him to rent a room in the city.
I live at Candy Station.
And there are others like him, crippled not only by their handicap, but by their circumstances.
I am handicapped and I have a mother and 3 sisters to support.
At the Punjab Chaurangi traffic light alone, we encountered almost 10 beggars, one of whom had even passed his college examinations. Others have never seen the inside of a classroom, and chances are they won't.
Faced with unemployment and social problems, begging seems to be the only option for some people in Karachi. This is Havovi Cooper for Newsday, Geo News.